Good evening, all the staff of Amrapali Group of Institute. Myself, Lakshita Chanan, and I am from Amrapali Group of Institute. I am a BBA first year student. My topic is unsung heroes of the Indian freedom struggle. India's independence movement was series on historic event and sacrifice by thousands of freedom fighters. Undoubtedly, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and many more are amongst the famous freedom fighters and have got the spotlights. But here, there are some unsung heroes who played crucial role in India's freedom movement. While the country celebrates its 75th year of its independence, let's take a look at some lesser known freedom fighters of India. First is Matangini Hazra, an Indian revolutionary who became actively interested in the Indian independence movement as a Gandhian. In 1932, she took part of the civil disobedience movement and was arrested for breaking the SALT Act. Hazra was also take part of the Quit India movement and non-cooperation movement. During a procession, she was shot by the police, but she kept chanting Vande Mataram even after being repeatedly shot. Second is Peer Ali Khan, one of the initial rebel of India who participated in the Indian independence movement. It is not known to many. He was a part of the 1857 freedom struggle and was hanged in full public view along with 14 other rebellions who participated in the mutiny. Next is Khudiram Bose. He was one of the youngest revolutionaries who opposed British, and contribution in India's freedom struggle is significant as he was just 18 years old when he was sentenced to death. Next is Aruna Asaf Ali, an active participant in the Indian independence movement. She gained prominence at the age of 33 as she hoisted the Indian national flag at the Gwalior Tank Maidan, Bombay during the Quit Indian movement in 1942. Next is Bhikaji Cama. One must have heard her name on roads and buildings, but many are not aware of her tale of valors. One of the prominent figures in the Indian independence movement, she also stood for gender equality in her appeals for human rights, equality, and for autonomy. From Great Britain Canal unfurled Indian flag at the International Socialist Conference at Stuttgart in Germany 1907, which she called the flag of Indian independence. Lakshmi Sehgal, commonly referred as Captain Lakshmi, she was an officer of the Indian National Army and the Minister of Women's Affairs in the Azad Hind government.